Hi, welcome to my video, welcome to my channel. This is Kim Zhao, and we providing the whole production line, charcoal making and also carbonization furnace, biomass recycling machines. So in this video, because we just back to work from the holiday, so I am going to take the video to show our factory and our machines face to face, so it's able to for you to know more about our factory and also our equipment. And we are providing the main production line. The first one is using the biomass to make the briquette and then carbonize to charcoal. So from this line, we will need to use the wood crusher to make sawdust, and also we able to use other types of materials like peanut shell and agricultural waste. After that is the airflow dryer, because this type is smaller capacity than the rotary drum dryer, so it's usually used for the single briquette machine. This is the biomass briquette machine to make the high density briquettes, wood briquettes, and after that we get the stick and then we put into the carbonization furnace, and then it becomes the very green, no additive charcoal. And also we provide larger capacity, because the single model the capacity is limited because of the high pressure and no bender using, so it's only 300 kilogram per hour for the single model. So if you need producing a larger capacity, we can put several units together working in a line like this. And using the automatically feeder is double screw feeding equipment. Like this one, it's using 3 units working together, and we have other options. Maximum we can put 5 units together. And we have the small collector and automatic cutter for the wood briquettes. And after this, we use the carbonization furnace. This is the vertical hoist type carbonization furnace. It's with the outer stove and the inner stove. We load the material into the inner stove, and every stove is finished only in 4 to 6 hours, and then take out by the electric hoist, and then start again to the next batch. And it's able to working by single and double and 3 or 4 and 5, 6 working in a line together. Horizontal furnace, 3 meters. Horizontal furnace, 4.5 meters. We can use both boiler grade steel and also the stainless steel. Like this is 310 stainless steel. Able to use over 1200 centigrade. The boiler grade steel is able to work in below 500 centigrade. Before shipping, before painting, we will all polish the machine, every part, every details, and then make the painting, the rust resistant painting and high temperature resistant painting. So these are all orders from our customers. So this is a horizontal type carbonization furnace, and it's with the removable trolley and cart. So this is put outside, this is used inside to help loading with the pulley. Second continuous production line contains with the crusher. Like this is the hammer mill crusher with big capacity 5 to 7 tons per hour. And after this we use the rotary drum dryer. The diameter and the length and inner structure is all able to customize differently based on the raw material condition, the moisture, the size, and also the output capacity. So after the dryer, we use it's a service for the higher capacity continuously carbonization furnace. Like this is only 0.8 meters diameter. The capacity is only 200 kilogram per hour for the output. And also we have bigger capacity for the continuously carbonization furnace. And the third production line is we use the charcoal as the start, the raw material, and make the charcoal powder crusher and mixer and briquette machine. And the briquette machine, as I showed, it's able hot ceilings, extruder, ball press, punching machine, hydraulic model, rotary press for different types charcoal briquettes. Like extruder, it's good at making the stick shaped, and with the automatic cutter. Like this is air pump cutter. It's able to cut. It's good at cutting longer lengths like barbecue 10 centimeter lengths. And the rotating cutter, it's good at making the Shisha Hookah charcoal at shorter lengths, like 25 and 30 millimeter. And the punching model, it's good at honeycomb shapes, but it's also able to make external round and flower shapes. We don't have one ball press in stock, but hydraulic mode. So the pressure is given by the hydraulic oil station and making the high pressure and then making the high density briquettes. If you like the hydraulic type briquette machine, and we have the single cylinder and also double cylinder model, and the mode it's able to change to cubic or round or external. Charcoal powder crusher, smaller capacity, 600 kilogram per hour. Charcoal powder crusher, bigger capacity, 1.5 tons per hour. It's charcoal powder crusher making a mesh size output. So this is making fine powder for the charcoal powder, and the size is from 40 mesh to 300 mesh. It's with the dust collector and the cyclone separator. Charcoal mixer. The wheel milling mixer using the bender, water, charcoal powder. This is automatically sorting and packing machine for the round tablet Shisha Hookah charcoal. So it's very high efficiency. Every 1 minute, it's able to pack at least 200 bags of the Hookah charcoal. So from here, it's feeding and then packing, bagging using this film. This cashew shell with oil, cashew shell. 2 bags sent from our customer, and we're planning to make the testing using our continuously furnace, the carbonization furnace. This is oil, not the moisture, oil. And after the briquette machine, we use because we are recommending the air energy heat pump type dryer for the charcoal briquettes drying, and this is one smaller one, but we can use 2 using one batch by one batch. Every 4 hours, finish one batch. So if you are interested how it's working for all the machines I have explained in this video, please check my other videos links. I will show it here, and also you can follow my channel and check more videos, and also waiting for my more videos uploading. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.